Always believe in yourself. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Artswithme. For today's video, we are going to decorate our books. The title says 5 awesome book cover ideas, but you're going to get one more. So in total, 6 awesome book cover ideas. If you're new to my channel, actually even I am new to my own channel. I'm a beginner. So if you think I'm good as a beginner in making videos on YouTube, hit that subscribe button and let me know. And by the way, this month is all going to be related to the books, like book covers in this video, and the next video is going to be about the bookmarks, and the next one is going to be on the DIY planner and lots more to come. So if you don't want to miss any of them, hit that notification. For the first idea, you will be needing a book which is covered with a pink colored sheet, a thread, some colored charts, a ruler, a pencil and white adhesive. And the first step is to cut out equilateral triangles out of the colored sheets. If you're wondering what is the measurement that I use, it's around 2.5 centimeters on all the sides. Now you're going to need a thread. Cut the thread based on the number of letters a word has. You also need to fold the top side of the triangle so that it sits perfectly on the string. White adhesive, and later on I figured it that Fevistick is going to do a better job for this purpose. Version of yourself. Always believe in yourself. Trace out 2 flowers of different sizes on a green colored sheet. Dip that cotton swab into the white color paint and dot it in a symmetrical circular shape. And later switch on to different shades of pink and red. the final touch, and it definitely shows up in the painting. For the third book cover, I just folded a yellow colored sheet multiple times into the shape of a rectangle and drew a balloon on it. For this step, you can go in different ways. Either creating a story with a single balloon or stick a bunch of them like I did in this video. Anything and everything looks great. In order to add a little more dimension, I gave an outline to the balloons with a black sketch and added a bow. The fourth and my most favorite book cover is this one. You will need some colors, a tape, a toothbrush, probably an old one. Make sure that the tape is not too sticky. Place it on some surface multiple times so that it loses its strength to stick. Then cover all the four sides of the book. The next step is the most fun part, which we have done in our schooling. I don't think I need to tell you this. You can just dip the brush in the paint and wrinkle it around. The process can turn out to be quite messy, so I recommend you to place some old newspapers onto your work area. Now reveal! Remove the tape carefully and you can already see how beautiful it turned out to be. Do you guys remember? I said 6 ideas instead of 5? That is because of this awesome blow art concept. Do the same thing that we have done with our toothbrush idea. Cover all 4 sides using the tape. Then take a straw, dip it in the paint and blow colors onto the sheet. The most beautiful part about this is you will never get the same pattern again and again. You will have different patterns every time you do it. Don't you think it's such a good idea? Please hit that like button. The last one is by using a sponge stick. Cut out a piece of sponge and make a water droplet shape and cut it out. Do the same thing on the cardboard as well. Then stick both of them and then stick this piece onto another stick. Here I use hot red and baby pink. This is going to act as a stamp. bookmarks and some DIY planners. If you don't want to miss it, then subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button. Subscribe to Arts with Me. If you have made it to the last, hope you have liked the video. Thanks for watching.